The Taurus PT845 has all the features you expect to find on one of the most advanced semi-automatic pistols in the world. The PT845 is derived from the successful Taurus OSS pistol design for the U.S. Armed Forces. However, it adds an external hammer requested by so many customers. The 45 caliber pistol features a black tenifer finish and a black checkered grip stock. The 4-inch barrel gives the PT845 an overall length of 8 1/4 inches and a weight of 28.2 ounces. The PT845 features a Picatinny rail for easy assembly of accessories. It also has an ambidextrous 3-position safety and an ambidextrous magazine release button. The PT845 sports genuine Novak sights. Each PT845 comes with 2 magazines that each holds 12 rounds for a 12+1 capacity.
This Taurus 45 caliber with a polymer frame is a blast to shoot, has very little recoil.